All right, ladies and gentlemen, at the late night show. All right, so we welcome everybody come to the show like this. Of course, and you know as the be, we love all of you. We love all of you. And my countdown begin today. My countdown begin today.
Honorable.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday,
Honorable.
Monday, Tuesday.
The late night father.
Yes, the late night father will be a year older by the 12th of August, 2015.
We celebrate you. We celebrate
Celebration.
you. We celebrate you.
Seriously, at the announcer.
In advance.
In advance. At the announcer, you know what?
No, sir.
Many have come and gone. Some saw the beginning of this year. They only their birthday.
Oh, yeah?
Some died. Some they prison. Some they hospital. I'm here. I'm healthy. I'm okay. I'm on TV.
You're making progress.
You're making progress. Doing things with my life. My hand no cut. My leg no cut. My voice they walk.
Oh, yeah.
I can breathe well. I they see well. My hand they do everything. I they do things. But we thank the Lord. You understand? Even though some of the worries I never marry, but
it comes with the package.
Yeah, you know, so sometimes, you know, allow God to do his thing. You understand me? No rush God. No rush God. Yeah.
Now enter.
Yeah. Not a rush God. Some people they fast forward God.
Yeah.
You can't go get miss testimony. The testimony that's not supposed to be, you can't go be. You can't rejoice. You can say you don't already they do the thing. Meanwhile, you are off key. Hello?
Off key. Hi.
Amen.
Amen.
Now, please, marriage will come. Children will come. At that time, it go different. But for now, hustle 9 days. Hustle first.
Hustle.
Seek first the hustle. And all other swag.
No.
All other marriages.
No, that did not follow. That's
why?
seek first the hustle, no. That's hustle supposed to be second.
Seek first. No, that one did.
No, that one be number one.
No. You know if you joke with God, that one, of course. We must seek ye first the kingdom. That one, no, we cannot see. You understand?
Yeah.
But this is my personal principle.
Okay.
You understand? It's personal now.
Okay.
Not be quoting Bible. Personal now.
Okay.
Seek ye first the hustle, and all of that swag shall be added unto you. Finish. You understand? You have to do it to get it.
Get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, as usual, the O, the G, the B, the O, the L, the O, the R. Ogbolo, baby. That's what's up. Yeah. Now on the wheels of steel, as usual, my guy, my G, very bad guy. He nearly starts me on the one kind mode just now and begin the whole show, but nothing they happen. DJ, is it big?
Now in the mix with the worldwide certified
DJ Easy Beats.
He brings something hot every time you listen to his set.
I'ma keep it hot.
All right.
Now we did here.
Bringing something hot every time you do something on the set. Anyway. Today now, you know, say no cocoa of the day as usual on top Friday because now our viewers day. Now on our day, on our day for house. All right. So today we're going to talk about some very, very important things. You know, onto the relationship and based on the night father will be.
Oh yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Based on the night father will be. Now, different people know tomorrow now people go marry. Every other Saturday people go marry. Some of my friends whether they marry and based on everybody talks about go marry, easy bits go marry and different things. Now, we want to talk about issue of infidelity. Now we say cheating during relationship and everything. You understand? Yes. We'll talk about that issue, you know, and not be the issue itself. We'll talk about how you go to avoid them inside your relationship or marriage. How you go to avoid them, you know. From ways they will, I will just follow that gist on top of the whole piece. So when we come back from this break, we'll go yarn every. I just look you, they laugh.
Oh yeah.
And they feel like Vector.
The
Viper, you understand?
I just do some poet things now.
Yes, sir. And you're my wobe.
Vector. Police supposed to arrest you this night. They'll just stop you.
You know, listen. You know, and you're my wobe. And you're my wobe. You know. Lyrically tight, lyrically bad, lyrically on point, lyrically dope. If I don't feel rap to save my life, but if the rights give me,
You go feed
I go rap. Oh.
All of us go feed
Not everybody. I feel easy. Give me any beat. You get any beat?
Yeah.
You understand? I feel you talk rubbish.
Okay.
But with the sound like say the rap.
Like say the rap.
You understand?
Okay.
If you know yours, give me. I feel know yours. My own show now. It's how they try to explain because if I hear lyrics now, I go bust the bust. I don't already get the swag. Volume. Okay. I mean, that was something to talk now.
No, he didn't give you hype.
Hey! Listen! Rubbish, oh! Sing it all, let me say, how many say. Family say, how many songs, making them listen. I've been living in this world, living about me, living together, establish fear. These valuable songs, we don't so safe, so easy beats. But if I believe in my loss, I'm by easy wins. Thinking about me now, see me, I see my beef. But if believe me, the boss, we can not release the boss, the boss, you never know what let me say, you can not let me say, look up at that person. I don't show up and make us money.
Oh, yeah.
You want us, lady? I saw this morning. You want us, lady? See my this son. Shut him off! Bottom, black out! Shut him off! The middle top! Shut him off! My dog! Me the sunny body! My mother's on the door! It's a bit sunny, mommy! Hey!
That was that.
No play! They're going down, they're crazy.
And the second guy will come down like I don't like the first guy.
The first guy.
The first guy not the confident.
The first guy a twister.
Okay.
So you just twist.
The second guy just come, they just come with pride. You know what I'm saying?
Pride guy. But that second guy, now be the present.
Now be the done.
You understand? They recross them. They drop out. Well, give me lyrics now, go bust system. All right, quickly. Back to the thing we talked earlier, about a relationship and issues and based on the whole infidelity thing. Somehow, relationships they get their rocky times. Now, when things not too pure. And every kind of relationship will go through in own time, one way or the other. Whether you young or old, even for old age, you will always come across certain kind of things that will go happen inside the relationship where one way or the other feel make them shake. All right, now, infidelity will be like cheating. Now, one of the things that we people they use as excuse for problem for inside their relationship. And many times, most people go say, okay, instead of making they face the issue, they can't go, they run, they find another person for outside. Or sometimes, now waiting, they lack for your partner, some people can't go, they find out for somebody else for outside. Don't forget one thing, nobody, they perfect. So somehow, your partner said, go get one thing way in the, when no complete and one thing way they miss for the whole package. You not get who you go see where the complete package. If you get like 10 lists of what you want for a person, your partner will get 6. And those 6, now it first attract you. But go reach where you go reach, maybe those 6 no come too sweet you again. You can't find the remaining 4. You can't find those remaining 4 inside another person. Somehow, we always forget one thing. Say, that person will get the 4, but come no get the 6 where your partner originally gets. So sometimes, it's very, very important. So you need to walk your way through the one where you get presently to see how you go take work amount. All right, so I also make talk about that beginning part because no relationship just smooth like that without any issues. All right, so you need to find out your way to walk through the one where you get presently. All right, so I make talk about how you go take avoid infidelity. How you go take avoid infidelity. Easy bits. Make I ask you. You don't ever cheat for any of your relationships in the past?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
If you talk anything, we maybe make you go do them.
No, just for my own opinion, I just what do you call this thing?
Long throat.
No, really. I just
big eye.
unnecessary reason. Just lost.
Okay.
Yeah, just lost.
Okay,
yes.
me, I really appreciate that particular, the sincerity, because even me in the past, yes, but my own, I was talking with long throat. In the past, when person is young, you just want to do anyhow.
Yeah,
long throat, and maybe, like I talked earlier, you saw not too sweet, you want to try that thing, so different reasons. But at the same time, as maturity is on the end, everybody on the behaves, okay, look, Hold back. But more continue the whole thing. Infidelity inside relationship or even inside marriage. You do what now? You don't marry and you feel say maybe you don't they cause some kind of wahala. Maybe not you. I know more looks because most time when they talk about this kind of thing, when they say okay, my partner. No, look your own self. Different type of cheating day.
Okay.
Two major. To make I just talk about these two major ones. One, na emotional. Most people they always forget that emotional. Most people they always put them for side. The emotional cheating, when you don't cheat on person emotionally, and then they get sexual cheating.
Okay.
Emotional day, sexual day, but most they always loud the sexual.
Okay.
They play low on the
Because
emotional.
you got
on the
to do
emotional.
it, then they see.
Exactly. The emotional part now, for example, waiting only you and your partner supposed to share emotionally. All those calling regularly, all those I miss you, I love you, all those things. The way they normally, now the emotional part of any normal relationship. That's not emotional cheating. You don't already give somebody else emotionally what you're supposed to give only your partner. Consistent checking up, well, it's not bad, but you get where you go reach, you're going to give the other person hope for say, okay, see. Meanwhile, you see there with someone else. Now, emotional cheating, that particular one be. You understand? If you never touch light, but sometimes the issue of touch lighting, the issue of sexual cheating, they always start first with emotional cheating. All right, so you need to understand one thing. Say, partner, you and your partner are supposed to share one kind of emotion which somebody else is supposed to get. You get. If you did for party, for example, your partner come. You say, okay, more can they go? You get. You say, no, I don't want to go. Now your partner get the right to tell you that kind of thing. Say, more they go. You understand? And at that point, you feel like clear. You get. But somebody else, if you all come, say, more they go. You understand me now? So you get the right your partner gets.
Okay.
For on top you, and not just anybody will just get that kind of right. But I just go through different kind of talk on top of the whole gist. But number one way we go need to try do to avoid cheating or infidelity inside relationship. Number one, remember say you don't develop feelings. Why you develop feelings for your partner in the first place? Now this now for people then they already see say their eye don't come up for the person we then deal with.
Okay.
Some people find out see somehow you just fall out of love.
Okay.
And they always say one thing, I always like to make this thing clear, very, very clear. Say love not just be about emotions. Love no be just about emotion. Love not largely about decision. You could decide to love person and that will actually be love, because if you say person fall in love, that means if you fall out of love. That will tell you, say, love not just be about emotions. Not just emotional feeling at that point. You get brother, you get sister, you don't love them, but you know if you fall out of loving your brother or your sister. You know if you fall out of loving your parents. So that's not the real love also what they talk about. Not be just this passive emotion where they come, they go. Not be real love with that. All right? But remember why you develop feelings for that your partner in the first place. You get. If you don't find out, say you don't did that particular level where things don't happen one kind. Sit back, give yourself small time, ask yourself a question. What did make me fall in love with this person in the first place? What did make me reason to deal with this person in the first place? Something there will make us click when we first start. What did be that thing? You go need to trace back to that time. Maybe now you smile, maybe now the way until they follow you, they relate, maybe now the way until they always did there for you every time. Maybe they even follow you, they share your 5 love language, any of your love language, the way you get. Somehow. So go back to that first thing. What if that first thing will make you like this person that time when una start? All right? Go back to that particular point. That will give you new, you get this new feeling where it will bring up for inside you. You go follow your partner till relate. Say, okay, fine. We'll see how we take. Go back to the beginning where we first kick off from. It will help. All right. So now point number 1. Now point number 2. How you will need to how to avoid infidelity for inside relationship. Point number 2. Try to understand your partner. Most people, most of the time, love basically they more about selflessness, not be selfishness. Most people they very selfish in love, but not they very selfless in love. Selfless, when I mean selfless, let me say, understand it not be really about you at that point, but not about your partner. When two people decide to come together and say, maybe they do something, that means the other one don't carry a heart to give you for hand. So now your responsibility to make sure, say, this other person, I take care of this heart we carry give me. So at that point, you go, they're selfless. Do everything possible to make sure, say, the other person did very, very okay, and not necessarily you. Now the person's responsibility to also make sure, say, you yourself did very, very okay, and not necessarily him or her. Okay, so second point, try to be more understanding. What's your partner they go through? Sometimes not be about you. Maybe your partner they go through something and everybody get how they react to situations. You know, they feel they go through one thing. For someone like me now, I feel be the quiet type when they go through some kind of things. I feel the quiet. I feel just keep quiet. I know they talk. But if you can't get person for your life, person can't look say this one where you quiet, this one when they do on points, you don't can't quiet. You go need to understand your partner. Get to that point where you need to understand how your partner they react to wahala. Maybe they go through some things for in life at that point. How into they react, it go help you know how you go come meet your partner. Not be about you all the time. Understand whether something they go through your partner life, they happen, maybe not for business, or maybe somewhere, safe. Maybe another woman don't they come, another man don't they come. You go need to understand, say, okay, what's not make her reach here? What's not spoil for road or something? Maybe we come to the point of understanding. Understanding very, very important. Keep your own one side. Babe, sit down. What's they go on for your life? Mostly I will take talk on. Mostly I will take relate the whole thing. Maybe I will feel help in one certain way. You understand? So keep yourself for corner sometimes and hear more of what's in your partner they go through. It will shock you. What they will take you at the amount they talk. Where you say because of giddy, you don't overlook. All right? So understand your partner feel they go through some things where they make the relationship they suffer. All right? So then point number 2. Number 1, remember why you develop feelings for your partner in the first place. Point number 2, try to understand your partner, what in they go through at that point in time. So now point number 3, seek emotional resolutions and comfort over sex. Simply put, sometimes when some people don't go through some issues for inside their relationship, you know, they'll tell you one thing, say, okay, man, by the time I enter bedroom, I can't use sex to cover the whole thing. But, you know, oftentimes, you know, when you go to a person for sexual comfort, it think they always last just for some time. You know, they never stay. That's why you see people, they do friends with benefit and all those things, you know, they never last. You get me? So most of the time, sex not be the way out. But emotional resolutions, coming back to talk now, communication, may we sit down, more relate, more talk. You get? Many people they always use sex as escape. The reason why most people they go cheat now because okay, fine, okay, since my partner and me they get this issue, make I run go meet another person. The person will come help me. They all right through sexual things. You know go last. Instead, that thing will increase more big for the whole level. You and your partner need to get to that point when I will sit down and say, okay, look, how will take on, you know, how will they take on from where he did now to where he's supposed to be? What don't go wrong along the line? All right, not be sexual because most people go say, I get wahala. Want that guy for outside the day, man. I bet make I all go groove am. Make I all do alright. Make I all go groove am. Make I all, you know, forget my own now. For now, I just need many girls to go through this thing. You know I talk this thing because I just remember somehow many of my female friends then way maybe their boyfriend used to give them wahala. Want that guy who come from corner. They give you the right lyrics.
You dey fall.
You go to follow because at that point you're emotionally low. One other person will come, they give you the lyrics where you want to hear. You can't have to follow that one. You understand? Because most ladies there on the emotional side, they happen steady. You get? And when that guy don't give you lyrics, you can't look the one where your man know they too do well. You can't go to meet the other guy. And trust me, it always lead to sexual things most times. Because sometimes, because of emotional this thing, you know to get defense. You know if you today, once the guy don't touch you, hey, bam, you don't let go. So, very, very importantly, go for emotional resolutions. You understand? Try to find how now to talk and communicate with one another. The most important thing now to solve a problem first. Sex never be a healthy way to solve any wahala at all. All right. So discuss things through, communicate, and then you go day all right. All right. So point number 4 on how to avoid infidelity for inside relationship. If you're ready to, if you don't already run things with person, tell yourself this one word. Stop. Life no fit continue like that. Just tell yourself to stop. Because if you don't ever get to that point where you go need to stop, you go always stay inside this wahala. You cause wahala for another person. I mean your partner. Just get to that point where you go tell yourself stop. Try everything to put yourself in your partner's shoe. You understand? Feel the pain of your partner. You will go touch that another person for outside, or you will go along with the form emotional cheating with somebody else for outside. More turn the table now. If you find out say your own partner they do the same thing, how he go do you for body? All right? Maybe your partner needs to change for one thing or the other, but cheating not be the way to pay back. Cheating not be the way out of the whole level. All right? So try to think about how you would feel if you find your partner, say your partner don't do the same thing. And when you don't understand that thing, it will need to help you to stop. Your match break, say, okay, fine, come. Sometimes it's not long truth. men. Sometimes not long throat. You get sometimes not just long throat, either from both parties. You know, sometimes some ladies they never do too okay with one man. You know, love this one for different reasons. Love that. Some women feel love 10 different men for 10 different reasons. Then some men now feel they sleep with. To me, I'm not sure saying men they love different women though. If you're lost after different women, but you get one way you love. But women are the other way out. Now the other way. Oftentimes women feel love 10. I love this one because they give me money. I love this one because it's there for me emotionally. I love this one because I didn't worry me. I love this one. Different reason. You know, most times I say, okay, try your best possible as woman not to use sex as way out of anything. Because if you go put yourself in more trouble, past as things be before. You get? But either way, I will not go ever encourage cheating, either from the man or from the woman. All right? So, turn the table. How you go feel if your partner, they do the same thing what you they do? Always ask yourself that question. Whether emotional cheating or sexual cheating, always ask yourself that question. If I find out, say, what they do right now, my partner, they do, how I go feel. All right? So, quickly, if you know fit stop the sexual relationship with the girl with another person, immediately go find therapist or person will go help you. You need help. You need help. All right? Find way to solve the problem. If you know say you know fit stop, make person help you. Maybe a trusted friend or somebody else. All right? And then on the final level, consider make you come clean. And I may say come talk true. Say make they help you, make your partner. Sometimes when you talk the truth, if you break the relationship up, but you need to find your way through to bring that back that trust for your partner. Men or women, some people don't already find out say their partner don't cheat on them, maybe once or twice, but they still continue for the whole level. All right, so find how to come clean, and somehow you go find help. All right, so these are the points that we're already on board, and I hope say one way or the other, this one don't help anybody with the outside there, where they find way to stop the cheating when they cheat right now. I beg, if you did involve, just stop. All right, if the one way you did right now, for you know they work for some obvious reasons. Some obvious reasons why relationship they work. You get maybe not just they go. Where?
Yeah.
Nobody say maybe fight, nobody say cheating or anything. Maybe not they compatible.
Yeah.
Or at that point, nobody else they work too well. I always advise one thing. If you need to stop. Then maybe go to another one. Or in between, just give yourself time to heal, then start another relationship. But say you decide one, they try another one, they test another one. No, you're not going to ever work too well. All right, so with this 3 points of our own, we also don't help all everybody to do very, very all right. Okay? If you're in that kind of position, help yourself. All right, so thank you very much. Easy beat. Carry go. Go watch this funny video and come back and continue the rest of the show. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.